Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from CourtneyAmare. In today's video, we are going to be doing my toddler Amare's hair care routine. I'm going to be sharing with you guys the products I use in her hair and how I style it. She previously had beads in her hair for the past 2 weeks and she definitely needed her hair washed. I ended up redoing her hair the same way without the beads because I did not have the tools to. Alright, as you can see, Amare's hair is very dry. I've already cut out the rubber bands and now it's time to do a little bit of finger detangling. After that, I go ahead and wet her hair and get her ready for a shampoo. And of course, I missed one of the twists, but I finally get it out. All right, and the shampoo I am using is by Shea Moisture, and it is called Mango and Carrots Kids Extra Nourishing Shampoo with Orange Blossom Extract. And when I use the conditioner, I use the same matching one as the shampoo, just in conditioner form. I think Amare's favorite part of getting her hair washed is actually getting that scalp scratched, honey, because she was just mesmerized. Alright, so I wanted to tell you guys about the little trick that I kind of use. I guess it's not a trick, but it's something that I use for Amare when I am rinsing out the shampoo out of her hair. I use the red cup, but I also use one of her baby rags, and I kind of like mirror the shampoo like towards the middle, and then I'll rinse it out, and then I'll get the sides as well just to get it out so it won't get in her eyes. As I mentioned before, I am using the matching Shea Moisture conditioner to the shampoo, so I'm going to put that in her head, and that's when I start detangling with a wide tooth comb. You guys, I think Amare knows that I'm recording. I think she kind of knows what's going on. She usually cries when I'm washing her hair. Like, she cries every time, and this is the first time she has never cried. Like, she be trying to get out the tub and fight me, but she sat there the whole time, you guys. So I'm excited about that. Alright, so as for the leave-in conditioner that I will be using for Amare's hair, it's called the Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthening and Restore Leave-in Conditioner with shea butter, peppermint, and apple cider vinegar. And it is also by Shea Moisture as well. Alright, you guys, so for her oil, I'm going to be using the Shea Moisture Coconut Oil Cream in her hair. And this is the last little bit of it. So I'm just going to put it everywhere I can to moisturize her hair. And usually I use the gel that they have, but I felt like Amare had too much product in her hair already. I felt like it was, you know, just enough. So I didn't put the gel in this time, and I went on ahead and started styling her hair. But I will leave down below in the description box, if I don't remember to mention it, what gel it is that I usually use. Alright, so I found the gel that I use in Amare's hair is Coconut and Hibiscus Curling Gel Souffle. And that's with Shea Moisture as well. To do Amare's ponytails, to like kind of get them slick, I use her little baby edge brush. So it really gets it, you know, how I want it to be when it comes to doing individual ponytails everywhere around her head. And you guys are gonna see me struggle with trying to put the beads on her hair, but her hair was like so slippery. So I may put the beads on later, but I didn't do it in this video because her hair was still like, it had so much moisture, so I couldn't put it on for the video's sake. But this is what we ended up with. Alright, you guys, this is the finished product of Amare's hair. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Be sure to comment and subscribe, and leave video suggestions down below. Bye.